He needs some diapers. She's like, okay, we'll call his daddy and tell his daddy he needs
That's a
some
damn
diapers.
shame. You hear her snoring and shit?
Snoring
A damn shame. A damn shame. See her fucking face?
He knows
See?
my situation. He knows what happened when we broke up.
Now look at the damn baby mouth.
Did he help? Yeah. He did help. He was lonely, so income.
Knock the fuck out. That's what you call it. Knock the fuck out.
He turned his back. He didn't
See
need
what I'm
no
saying?
Not go back. Nothing at all.
Knock the fuck out. These two motherfuckers. Sleep like a motherfucker.
My baby knows. Thank God for the Morris, so let me tell you about this girl who's telling lies to the world about a pimp like me. So he must be crazy. I'm a G. Every girl would love to have a baby.
Nah, that's too much. That's what you get when you had too much to drink. Knock the fuck out. And when you had too much milk to drink, you get knocked the fuck out too.
Thank God for the Morris show.
Like daughter, like mother.
Yeah, like her dream, she ain't even satisfying because she's really into that going. They both like that.